Hello everyone, welcome to the Scientist Tosca demo. My name is Lokesh Kumar and I have 12 plus years experience, total experience. In my career journey, I initially worked as a code project engineer. After that, I moved into IT testing and DevOps. And also I have had experience with manual tester and DevOps, and now also I have very good experience on Tricentis Tosca. So I got opportunity to work single single resource Tosca automation project. That is how I enter into this Tosca. From that point onwards, I have been working Tosca automation tester since 5 years. I was into this IT DevOps and Tosca. I'm real-time working professional, actively working on live projects with 12 plus years total experience, and I have 5 plus years DevOps and Tosca experience. So now I'm real-time trainer. So you may wonder that what is the difference between normal and real-time trainer? A normal trainer will mainly teach theoretical concepts only, but being a real-time trainer, first I will teach you the concept theoretically, then I will explain real-time examples with hands-on real-time project scenarios and the challenges I faced and the challenges you may face in future projects also. I teach basically on practical working knowledge. Since I'm working, I'm teaching up my teaching approach will be the concept wise explanation, a real time hands on experience, like hands on teaching, like real project use cases also, and interview questions and answers. So we will also prepare for interviews in parallel because understanding the concepts and real time examples is good. But if you do not prepare for interviews, it will become difficult later. So we will learn concept plus real-time examples plus interview preparation side by side. In normal training institutes, you may not get this style, but since I am real time working experience I had as a professional, I know. So what type of questions interviewers will ask, how interviewers evaluate candidates, common mistakes students do, and how to prepare correctly. So that is why I can help you to better way. So now I am talking about domain experience. I started journey in healthcare domain and working insurance domain. So I have experience with multiple business domains. So my teaching style is different compared to others. The first I will make make your basic strong first, and then we will slowly move into step by step so that you can understand everything very much clear. So let's get into topic. Let's discuss about Tosca. So I'm directly start with the Tosca. So we are going to discuss only Tosca instead of talking all shit, useless talks, right? Okay. So introduction to the Tosca. Before learning Tosca, you should know about Tricentis. Tricent is developed by Tricentis company, just like Microsoft developed Excel like that. So Tricentis Tosca. This is the company. Okay. This Tricentis is a company Okay, so Tricentis product is Tosca. Like, yeah, you can say 100% product. It's a on-premise application we have like Tosca. So Tosca is nothing but it's not name. You can say topology and orchestration specification for cloud application. That is the meaning of Tosca. This is complete full of the name. So everybody could not able to keep in mind. That's the reason. Just they named it as a Tosca. All right. So why should we learn Tosca? Because Tosca is codeless test automation tool, right? So first, let's make very better. So I can come here. Let me write here. Okay. Why should we learn Tosca? So this is question. Because it is codeless. This is main advantage. Okay. And so automate the applications. Can automate the Tosca can automate the applications. Okay. So without this is a main without single line of code, right? Next. So and also so this is main point. So people who does not know anything about coding and all, so they everybody can able to learn Tosca. That is main advantage. So Tosca, let me try to cover with different. Yeah. So this is a main point. So Tosca is a great starting point. Like scope of getting job is very high. So these are all things important points to be covered. Scope of getting job is very high. Next, no need to depend on any other technologies. Okay, and testing always forever. Advantages. These are all advantages. And tester job is very consistent. Don't worry about because if you don't need to worry about the tester job. Always be there. Okay. So who can learn this Tosca? Any graduate can learn the Tosca. Okay. No need any specializations. Okay. A degree must be there. Okay. Degree, minimum degree must be there. Not like uh, computer science. Not like that. Okay. Next. Let's do. And what are the what Tosca supports multiple technologies. Tosca supports multiple technologies. Like one is okay. First one is web application. Second one is desktop application. And third one is mobile application. And fourth one is API. Fifth one is database testing. and sixth one is SAP, and the seventh one is Salesforce, and ETL testing, and performance testing, and cloud applications like AWS, Azure, GCP. Okay, so these are, so it will support all of this, right? Right. Next step. So all without coding. Tosca also has AI and machine learning capabilities, which help in faster and intelligent automation. Tosca is a model-based test automation tool. So unlike scripting-based automation, where you have to write the code, in Tosca we use modules and modules. We'll create modules, right? It also supports CI/CD tools. So it also supports CI/CD. So what is CI/CD? Continuous integration. CI is enough. It also supports CI in tools like Jenkins. So we can able to integrate with it. Okay. So continuous testing also. Okay. CI/CD, it also supports CI/CD and continuous testing. It is easy to learn, like Bamboo, Jenkins. What? Let me check here again. Uh, Tosca is that Tosca supports CI. If yes, what are the tools can able to integrate? So so it will give more information than this. Jenkins already done. Next, Azure DevOps pipeline. So this also we can also integrate with the Azure DevOps, GitLab. Next one is GitLab, GitHub Actions, right? TeamCity, Bamboo, right? So build and it is also supports build and orchestration tools. Oh my god, this is really fantastic. This is also supporting build and orchestration tools like Maven, Gradle, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Terraform pipelines also. Oh my goodness. Okay. Cloud execution, test orchestration, like Tricentis Q-test. Q-test is internal for Tricentis. Okay. Next, Tricentis orchestrated service for visualization. This is OSV. Tricentis test automation tools, Azure test platforms. Okay. And also it supports, we can also integrate with this Git, Azure repos, GitHub, next to Bitbucket, all those. Okay. So it also included our Docker also. That's great. So execution engines, Dex. Okay. Distributed execution servers, test events. Okay. So this is what. So we got a lot of information. That's great. Okay. So who uses Tosca? Who uses Tosca? One more important question. This is, can I able to make it a little bigger? No, I guess. Alright, who can use this Tosca? Right? Let me try to highlight this. Okay. So compare, so companies or clients, those who want like codeless automation, single automation tool for multiple technologies. Okay. Next, faster automation delivery and reduce cost, reduce cost, reduce cost and maintenance. No, maintenance background, that's okay. Next, AI based. It is also AI based. So AI based and scalable automation. Okay. Next, so next one is testing type. You can automate using Tosca. Okay. Testing type you can automate using Tosca. What are those? I already clearly mentioned here. These are all, I think, so these are all tools, right? These are all. So by using Tosca, so yeah, web application, what we can do? Web application testing, desktop application testing, mobile testing, database testing, API testing, SAP testing, Salesforce automation testing, ETL testing, and performance testing also. Okay. So benefits of Tosca. Already I mentioned this is codeless, scriptless, strong test management features we have, and a high reusability and easy user interface, faster automation. Okay, easy UI and fast automation. Okay, next model based approach. Right, these are all points we have. Next, right. So let's if you go and open any respective test cases. So yeah, this is about small intro. Let's do one thing. And so what are the basic things you need before you start the Tosca? This is a really good point. So yeah, so you need system requirements. What are the system requirements you need before you start Tosca? You need Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit, Okay, 16 GB RAM on .NET framework. So you have to install, and you should have admin rights. If your laptop only you can do. So you cannot able to do it as a user. Okay. So how to install Tosca? So to install or download the Tosca, this is actually official official link, supports.tricentis.com. You need to download this. You need to install Tosca Commander. Okay. So you after installing Tosca Commander, you could able to see like this. Okay. So you can able to see this Tosca Commander. You could see, right? Right. So whenever you should have see this, so you will see this page. You'll you can able to see open and create new. Open in the sense this is by using this you can able to open old projects, which means already existed projects. If you want, you can open. You can able to open from here also by clicking here also you can able to open. So open. So you have any project in your local system also, by using that you can do it. Else, so whatever it is already recent projects also you can able to click on, or else if you want to create a new, yes, you can create new. So here what types of workspaces, how many types of workspaces we have, this is also one more important point. So let me try to keep here types of workspaces. So this is one question, it is also important question. Types of workspaces in the sense, see, first, what is workspace? You must understand. What is workspace? The space where you work, where you test. So this is what. So if you want to create a space, we have, this is one way. Tosca Commander, whenever you click on new here, whenever click on new, so you can see this box, right? So this window, in this window you could see common repository. Okay. So what is common repository? Okay, first talking about common repository, what is repository? What is repository? Repository is nothing but the place where your work will store. Okay, so for suppose example I'll tell, generally general example I'm going to say. So this is for suppose this is your repository. Okay, repo example git github. Okay, if this is a github, uh so wait, I'll show you. Right. Okay, he is a human or developer. This developer, what he will do, So he will write the code. Okay, general software repository I'm telling. So he will write the code. After writing code, he want to push somewhere. He want to keep somewhere. Okay. So this code, you need to keep this code right somewhere. If you want to keep this code, where he will keep? So he will keep in repository, central repository. Okay. So then what happens is other developer will be there. Okay. So one, two, two, three developers will be there. So that developer, what he will do? So what he will do? He will, whatever the code is pushing in this is push. I think better I should keep, I should use text then. Push. This developer will push the code into this repository, and this developer will pull the code from here. Okay. He will pull the code, right? He pull the code. So this is how it's happening. How? Why? Because there is a place where you keep the code. Okay, he is pushing the code, and again he is pulling the code, and he will do the changes. Again he will push the code, and he will keep here. Again this guy will take that code, and he will do some modification. Again this cycle, continuous cycle process. This process happens. So that is where this word came into the picture. Repository is nothing but storing something. In the developer perspective, we are actually storing the code. Our perspective, we are storing our project. Clear? So here, whatever we are keeping here, so whatever our test cases, modules, whatever, okay, so related to our testing related information should be stored somewhere. So where it will store in repository. Okay, so that's fair. So none is, so select a type of repository. Type of repository. Type of repo. What is here? We have these many types of repositories. Okay, none. This is smart work. Okay, none, SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL Server, and DB2. So none, nothing but this. He is here clearly stating create single user workspace. Okay, create single user workspace. Right. So and SQLite, Oracle. So these are all databases. DB2, MS SQL. Okay, Oracle database. These are all databases. These are real-time databases. MS Microsoft Sequential Query Language Server. This is database 2, and this is Oracle. Also, this already a Tosca background. This is associated with these companies. They have a storage capacity. Oracle storage database is there. MS SQL database is there. DB2 is there. Right? SQLite. So these many different types of repositories we have. Okay. So for example, if I want to take MS SQL, okay, if you want MS SQL, you should have, see this connection string. You should have connection. No, I don't have any connection, right? So that's why. So if I click here, you will get error, right? Because you have no proper connection, right? That's the reason you will get error. Okay. Oh, it's loading. All right. See this? The network related instance specific error is occurred because I don't have a proper connection. That is the reason. I don't have. Oh, echo is getting, right? So and here you see. So just I will select here Oracle. Okay. I will select here Oracle. If I select here Oracle, you see Oracle related database we are actually choosing, which means If I select here database 2 related databases we are actually selecting. Okay, so these many types of what is this SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL Server, DB2. Okay, so these many different types of repositories we have. But as in real time in your company, in real time you will be work on so Oracle, MS SQL. So these kind of databases. Okay, so those kind of repositories will be there. Okay, so if you select, for suppose I will take one by one. Okay, if I select none, so you see it, all the options reduced, right? So if I select here MS SQL, you could see all the options here, different testing connections and all. But if you select none, so you no need to select any repositories and etc etc, right? So now just if you select none, you will get only single repository, that is called single. So what type, how many types of repository, in the sense now we are into the answer, we came to the point. Two types of two types of repositories we have. One is single, sorry, yeah, exactly, single, and another one is multiple. Okay, so this, see here, none in the sense creates single user workspace. It will create single user workspace. Again I'll tell you what is single user workspace. In this single user workspace, you only one will be there. You are alone. No others, no other testers cannot able to touch. They can't access yours because you have only one permission. You got only one permission, right? That's okay. Next multiple user workspace. Okay, what is multiple users? So if you click here, for example, I'll use MS SQL. Multiple users, if you take, you will have a repository. I already explained here. So for suppose one repository will get created. So here one tester will be there. That tester will do some work, and simultaneously other tester can able to access that. And multiple testers can able to work on that particular repo, and the data will be stored in particular repo. But not required in the single workspace, because that is for only one purpose, right? That is the reason these options are not changing in none, right? I hope you understood. In single user workspace, no need any repository. Okay, because he is only working particular place. Okay, if you work, other guys cannot able to come and they cannot use your data. But in multiple workspace, what happens, multiple testers will work at particular place. So that is the reason this repo is required. So if you create single user workspace, you see, just need to give your name. For example, demo LK Cloud Tech single user. This is my name. I just mentioned some name. That's it. So something kind of, okay. So I mentioned like this. So this, what is this? Create a workspace, in the sense wherever you want to store your data, whatever you working. For suppose, I'm sorry, suppose you are working some application, for suppose you are testing one application, whatever you tested, whatever you scanned, modules, test cases, all your data should be stored particular place. So for example, so in my case, this is the path, C drive, Tosca workspace. For I'll go directly. See here, C drive. In C drive, Tosca workspace will be there. You see Tosca projects, Tosca workspace. Here it will store, right? So all this. So if you want, you can also change your place. If you don't have a space in C drive, you can keep D drive also, not a big deal. That particular place it will store, right? use workspace template, which means it will, for suppose, inside Tosca, whenever you log in, whenever you go inside, the modules will be there. A standard modules will get. For example, you buy if you buy a laptop or if you buy a mobile, you will get default apps, right? Like YouTube, Google, such kind of. So same way, in this Tosca also Tosca related features. Okay, Tosca related some standard modules you will get free. That's what. So if you click here like that, if you don't click, you don't get anything. So I'm just keep clicking here. Simple. I have chose only, I chose none, which means single user workspace. We'll also create multi-user also. So okay, you see, you are going to create single user workspace, right? All right. So now, yeah, this is the, you see this, right? So this is how the single user workspace will be there. You could see, right? You could see it, right, properly. So here only admin will be there. You see right side, the admin will be only there. Only one person. No other guys cannot able to enter here. So one more thing, you see here in modules, you got standard module, right? So if you don't checkbox, right? So before creating it, you could see the template. If you don't select the template, you will not get the standard modules. This is what I was talking earlier. Okay. So this is, so you could see, right? Just keep in your mind. I'm going to discuss something after some time. You could see, right? This is disabled, right? Please keep in mind. Just keep in mind, and we'll use some other place. Okay. Check in all, check out tree, update all. So this is completely hidden because, so you are only single user. Okay. So next, I'll close this. Let me close and I'll open again Tosca Commander. Tosca. Okay, I'll also close this. Yeah. Tosca Commander, open this. Okay, open this. Yes. Now again, you see, create a new. Same. Now we are going to talking about multi-user. Let's see how the interface of multi-user. So I could not able to connect with the Oracle MS SQL DB2 because I don't have a proper connection. I did not have any setup. Still, if you want to experience multi-user, we have option SQLite. You can see that, right? So use existing. If you have existing repository, you can use. Otherwise, you can, you have to give the other details. So select name of your repository. I want to keep, yes, you can keep also. So what are the changes happening if I select this? You see, so this is one. If I select this checkbox, branch is master. Okay, and you have to give the name of your workspace. That's what. If I unselect this, name of your repository, which means GitHub or something kind of name of your workspace. Okay, so my, just like that. If I use, I don't have existing repository, so I'm just giving name of the repository. Then just I'll keep demo LK Cloud Tech multi-user, multi-user, something kind of. Okay, so we are talking about this, right? That's why I'm just keeping this name for better. Okay, next, use workspace template. Okay, use workspace template. Yes, this is, so in Tosca Commander I have shown you, right, modules, standard modules that will, you will get. Okay, next, create a slim workspace. Okay, it should be enabled. Okay, yeah, you see this. Now it is enabled. If once if I don't use, you will not get slim workspace. If I select this, you can keep here. You can able to check this slim workspace. What is slim workspace? You might have experience with this, right? You might have experience with Facebook Lite, right? Facebook Lite, you might have seen this Facebook Lite. What is the difference between normal Facebook and Facebook Lite? This Facebook Lite is like replica of main original Facebook, which means it should be almost similar look. Okay, you can experience that, but most probably you could not able to store huge amount of data. Okay, you cannot do all the operations which you can do complete Facebook, but you can experience with same kind of Facebook. Okay, just you can able to scroll, you can able to see the, you can able to browse selfie to, you can able to experience. But in Facebook Lite you cannot able to you cannot able to use messages, something kind of, you can't message somebody something, you have to install again messenger for separately, something kind of. So if you use lightweight, simple, nothing else. Okay, so that's it. And next, I'll keep, let me unselect this because I don't want light now. Use template. This template, yeah, I already explained. If you use this template, you will get standard modules, which I have shown you in here. None, single user workspace. So let me go next step. See here, it is asking admin credentials. Who is user here? Me, Lokesh Kumar. This is my name, and I'm going to keep password. You must keep password. So I'm going to keep password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is my password. At least 12 characters. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm getting calls and disturbing. I'm sorry, excuse me. So let me keep better password, strong password. This is my password. Okay, I think it will works. Okay, done. See this? It is creating multi-user workspace. Got it right? One second. It's ready. You got it. You can able to experience now multi-user. So now you need to give your password. Just log in. Just log in. So this is, you see, this is multi-user workspace. Here in right side bottom corner you could see user is Lokesh Kumar. Earlier user is admin. Okay. So, and here I will show you what is the difference between single user workspace and multi-user workspace. If you click on home, you could see all are enabled. This one, update all, check in all, check out tree, all this. Okay, so that is difference. So which means what is check in all, what is checkout tree, what is update all. Okay, in Tosca. So what are all those? Because we are I just need to will let you know, and I just need to will let you know because you should understand. However, I need to make a proper definition between single user workspace and multi-user workspace. That is makes the difference. So single user workspace it was disabled, but multi-user workspace it is enabled. So that's okay that you understood. But thing is, what is the major difference if I enabled? So you may get the question like this. Okay, that's okay. It is enabled. So what is the purpose of this? So what is the purpose of this? Let us try to write here. In multi-user workspace, single user workspace, only one tester can able to work. Okay, one small project can able to do that. Okay, in multi-user workspace, they we have check in all. First, let us write checkout. Checkout all and checkout tree, checkout tree, and update all. Oh, sorry, check in all. Okay, and one second, it is struck. Okay, I think it's one second. Yeah, it's working now. Update all. It's working now. Yeah. So these are all. So what is checkout? So let me keep some bullets here. Mm, bullets, bullets. Yeah. So better. Checkout all. What is checkout all? Checkout all. Checkout all means whenever you check out the object or module or text case or folder or anything, so you are locking it for editing. Okay, so whenever you check out check out and I don't know whether it is object, I can call object or not. Object, you can write test case, write folder, test folder or module. So whenever you check out all so and so, these are all, so you will lock it for editing. You will lock for editing, which means, so you booked it, which means, for example, I'll give you a general example. For suppose you could see box cricket at outside, right? I love cricket, that's why I'm taking cricket as example. So if you see box cricket outside, so for 1 hour or 2 hours you will buy it, right? So particular fixing for you will buy some time. Okay, so for you just reserve it, right, for a while. So that's how, because some other cricketers or other candidates should not enter until you finish the game. Okay, and you can take a lease your ground for a while or for 1 day or 2 days to complete your um, uh, you can say your match, right? So what happens is, one second guys, I got a call. It's, is it emergency? Right, so that's how, which means if you check it, if you do it like this, other user can still see your object but they cannot modify it. So this is important point. Other testers, I should keep in silent otherwise. Other testers or users, you can say users in the sense I have created a user Lokesh user, right? With the password, such kind of other testers or users can still see the object, but cannot modify it until it back in. Okay, this is one more point. And next, I think, let me keep some space. Okay, so one more point is, so files are remain checked out, okay, in your workspace until you check them in. Okay, so which means you will get access to edit the checkout. Okay, edit the checkout, which means I'll show you. For example, this is you can see green color, right? Let me keep bit. Oh my god, I can't zoom it, but let me try. No, we can't do that actually. Forgot. So you see this, right? Green color here. This here, green color. So let me select this. Let me select this folder. So I'll go to home. So here, check in all. You see, it's gone. It's gone in the sense these test cases are open to everybody. So let me try to create. Um, so you can't create anything now. So because it is, you are not holding it, right? You did not buy the box. Okay, so you are not reserved it. So if you want to do any modification here, you must go here, home, checkout. See this, you got a green color here. So now I can able to create a folder here. You see, create a folder. Example, I'll keep check in something. I just randomly am mentioning some folder name. So this is my folder name. Okay, so I'm going to keep here. I'm going to check in. See here, whenever you check in, you will not get the access. So it will be open. Everybody can come and they can check out and they will do modification. They will do testing, anything. Okay. So now you could not do anything here until you get checkout. So for example, this is my folder which I created, but now everybody in the sense who are the users, other users can able to come here. They will do work here. Okay, suppose do it, you can see here, I'm going to check out here. See here, check out, which means for this specific folder I could get the access, but other people. So okay, let's, this is checked out, right? So I'm going to close this. I'm just closing it. Let me save this. Save. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just see here. And one more important, so whenever you don't save, there are still objects checked out. Do you want to check in all objects before closing the Tosca commander? So this is one more interview question. Okay, whenever you don't save and check in all, okay, whether whether this is saved or not, whether it is going to save or not. So how, what is the way? So is the you are going to lose your data or not? These kind of questions you will get. Okay, so I will open on one more commander. Let me try Tosca commander. So I'm trying to open it now. Okay, so you see, I'm just going to create a new. So now here you see I'm going to create one more SQLite. And here this is workspace. I do have one workspace. This is LK Cloud Tech. IT something testing workspace, something kind of. So I'm just using some name. Okay, right? Okay, so this name I'm going to use again here. Also I'll keep the same name. So I'll use the same templates next. So I'll here I'm going to keep here name is um, Harish, for suppose Harish. Okay, password is something. I'm going to keep something. Okay, see this now. Okay, it is getting created. Close. Okay, and it is opening. See here, it is asking Harish password. So which means Harish is login now. Harish is going to log in, not Lokesh. You understand? Harish is going to, okay, Harish is going to log in now. Guys, please like. Please try to like. If you are interested, I don't want to force. It's a complete your option. It's your choice. If you like it, just like simple, nothing else. Okay, that's okay. And now you could see the test cases right here. Okay, you could see the test cases here. Okay, so one second. Who is here? Top, no, no, bottom right corner. Harish is there. Maybe for you, I think you could not able to see because something is scrolling, right? That's okay. So let me minimize this. I'll show you. You could see here. This is Harish. Harish, right? This Harish, because this is Harish, and one more I have. This is, you can see here, right? So this is Lokesh Kumar. See Harish. See both. I'm keeping it side by side. Let me keep multi here. I'll keep multiple, and in this I'll open Harish one. So right side one is Harish, left side one is Lokesh. Okay. So now check-in folder is there. Okay. So let me also uh, check in all here. Check in all. Just nothing. I'm just checking all. Keeping here like this. Okay. So I'll create one folder here. I'll also create one folder. Let me check out. Okay. I'll also create one folder here. Yes, this is the one. This is Harish folder. Let me keep Harish test case. This is Harish test case. Okay. And so this I'll rename it. This I'll rename it Lokesh test folder. I think Lokesh test case. You can keep like this. Okay, that would be good. So this is fine, right? Okay, so now which means it is greened. It is green in the sense Lokesh is working here, which means here here I will check out. Let me keep here. Uh, Go to home, check in all. Right? This is fine. So now what I will do is let me try to check in entire checkout all. So checkout tree. Let me try to use checkout tree first. Okay, this is what you hold it all. So let me try to open here Harish. Harish is going to try checkout tree. Oh, sorry, update. Check in all. Here, update all. One second. Let me try to open. Oh my god, it's gone. Okay, let me open again. Okay, checkout tree. Update all. Checkout tree and save. Control S. One second. It's Git. Okay, let me close this. Yes, let me open one more time. Tosca commander. Yeah. Okay, so I'll open this as Harish. I'll open as Harish. Let me open. Wrong password. Maybe it's not capital, I guess. Oh, okay. Better. You should not forget the name. This is a password. Okay. So now I will try to check out tree. Okay. So checkout tree. This is what completely all test cases are check out, and I'll try to open one more time Tosca commander. It's open. Okay. Yes, let me try to open this again. Okay, so I think let me close. Okay, this is one and this is one. Let me open it. Is stuck down. Oh my god, it is stucking again. Okay, this is the one, right? And okay, so let me open again now with Harisha. I think Harish, it's capital, I guess. Useless messages. The wrong password, I guess. Okay. I think this just because of this. Again, I'll create one more workspace. Tosca Commander. Okay, no problem. Create new SQLite. Use repository. Tosca with Harish. Okay. This is Harish workspace. Without workspace template, I'm trying to see. Next, admin or Harish. I'll keep HARISH. No. Okay. Now it's enter. Test cases. See here, no models got nothing. So now home page. So I'll create here one folder. Harish. That's it. Okay. I'm going to check in, check out. So this is first I need to check out. Okay. Checkout tree. project. Mm, okay, let me open. Yes, you see. Okay. So I'll tell you here, check-in, checkout means this is for I'll show you checkout tree, check-in all. For suppose you see it will go all green color go, which means you're releasing it. Okay. So if checkout means only for folders, folder level, you see only you selected one particular folder, right? Checkout tree means all folders, like all tree. Tree in the sense like one by one, right? Parents and children's, parents and child, like that. So this is complete tree, entire tree. So this is tree view. So all tree will be checked in. So individual checkout means this is for individual check in individual folders. Okay, checkout check in all means it will release. That's it. Update means whenever, for example, I have checked out, I have done some work, and after that I checked in and updated all. That's it. So after that, if I want to do the same work in the same folder, so I will, other person will check out, and before checkout they will do update all. Okay, so that is the purpose, right? Okay, check in all means this check in all items you currently have checked out. You understood? Check in all. Check in all means this check in all means all items you currently have checked out. Okay, see here, once you checked in, your changes are updated into common repository. Okay, once you checked in all, okay, all your all changes will be updated in the repository, common repository. Okay, next the lock is released when the lock, and also the lock also will be released. So which means others can edit the same test case. Got it? So that is the purpose of, which means, so you can consider check out means it's a, you locking. Checkout means lock. Okay, check all means released. Lockout means you it's a key, for suppose you removed, ताला खोल दिया. Okay, Next, checkout tree means checkout tree. Okay, what is checkout tree? Checkout tree means it is actually the tree view. The tree view Tosca commander displays the test artifacts, like whatever the test cases are there, the tree view will be there. The complete tree view will be checked out. Okay, so example, Tosca test case folder, entire folder, or modules test case design, etc, something kind of. Okay, checkout tree means complete structure, all will be logged. That's it. Update all. What is update all? So it pulls the latest changes. It's kind of refresh button, like changes from the common repository. Without this, it will not display the changes other person does. Common repository into your local workspace. I have shown you in C drive your local workspace just before. Ensure your workspace is synchronized with the other users have checked in. Okay, that is the purpose of it. Got it? So this is all about this, how to create single user workspace and multi user workspace. Okay, this is really a very interesting, right? So this is what we had discussed. So better I'll keep. Okay, I think. Okay, so that's fine. Let me copy this. Oh, I could not able to copy. Control C. Word, I'll keep in Word better. Good job. I got it. Okay. So this is cloud I mentioned. It's okay. So this is till here is enough. So next class. So till here is enough. Next class we gonna discuss about Tosca, how to test the access bank or something. We will take live how to test automation, how to test access bank live application using Tosca. Okay, this I'll take I don't know what kind of live project I'll take, so I will do that. Okay, example, maybe any other shopping, retail shopping, like Flipkart Flipkart or Amazon. So we'll take some anything. So like that we will try to create the we'll try to create manual test case. First we'll try to create manual test cases. Okay. So then after that, so by using the manual test cases, we can create live test cases in automation Tosca. By using automation Tosca, we're gonna create it, right? So this is all about today's session. So next session will be very interesting. You're gonna see all live experience. You're gonna experience very high level. You can experience high level knowledge. Okay. So this is all about. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Until then, take care. Bye bye.